Hi there, welcome. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through ConvertKit for beginners, step by step, so you can start building an email list and sending campaigns with confidence. First, create your account at ConvertKit.com. Sign up with your email, verify, and then sign in to reach the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see Grow, Send, and Automate sections. These are where you build forms, send broadcasts, and create automations. Think of Grow for list building, Send for email content, and Automate for workflows. To collect subscribers, go to Grow, then Landing Pages and Forms. Click Create New, choose Form or Landing Page, pick a template, and customize text and images. Publish when you're ready. Subscribers land in the Subscribers tab. Add people manually or import a CSV. Use tags to segment interests. Tags are simple labels that let you target specific groups later. To deliver a welcome series or course, go to Send, then Sequences. Click New Sequence, name it, then add emails and set delays between them. Sequences send automatically whenever someone is added. For smarter flows, use Automate and create a new automation. Choose a trigger like Form Subscribed, then add actions, send a sequence, add a tag, or move to another sequence. The visual builder makes it easy to map customer journeys. To send a one-time email, go to Send, then Broadcast. Create your message with the editor, pick the segment or tag to target, preview, and schedule or send now. Quick tips: verify your sending email in Settings, add your custom domain for better deliverability, and always use tags to keep your list organized. Start small, test subject lines, and respect unsubscribes. That's your quick ConvertKit starter guide. Build a form, tag subscribers, add a welcome sequence, and you're ready to grow. If you want a deeper walkthrough of any section, tell me which one and I'll make it next.